Therefore today, September 7, 2023, we opened the gates of the treasure chest for all the people that will benefit the mission of the new generation.
Mabuhay ang Maharlika Kingdom of God, Lupusag Empire. A blessed day mga kamaharlikanos at mga kaibigan. Ako po si Tech Shider, na narito pong muli para ibahagi ang magandang balita at pag-anunsyo ng ating pinakamamahal na inang Reynang Helen Abdurrahman. Ang pagbabalik ng ating mahal na Pangulong Ferdinand Edrelan Marcos Sr. at pagsimulan ng implementation process sa Divine Monarch Government. At ang pagbubukas ng yaman ng Maharlika para sa mga beneficiaries na matyagang naghintay at sumuporta. At para ipagpatuloy ang misyon para sa mahihirap at para sa tunay na pag-unlad ng ating bansa. Para sa nagbabagang detalye, atin pong panoorin ang video hanggang ito po ay matapos, para sa paglalahad ng ating mahal na inang Reynang Helen.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Live from the land of our forefathers. This is Queen Helen Abdurrahman, Elizabeth III. September. Maraming salamat po sa inyo, mga kapatid natin nag-aantay. Sa araw na ito, tayo ay nagbigay ng Special Order 01 sa ngalan ng ating Union of Royal Philippines Against Police Oppression or PAPO, designated to implement, to spread the good news, and to do our implementation process. This is addressed to the Mavilindo 2023 leaders through Dato Paduka Odilon-Puga, Secretariat, Mavilindo Coordinating Council Office, KEMC 27th floor, Ortigas Center, Mandaluyong City, from Her Majesty Queen Maria Helen Josie Mulan bin Baginda Ali Abdurrahman Elizabeth III and His Majesty King Muhammad Gamar Mamay Hassan Abdurrahman Sharif al-Sultan Gamar bin Abdul Ghaffar Jamal Kiram III regarding the September 16, 2023 return of power and authority to the King of the Pearl of the Orient Seas and President of the Federal Republic of the Philippines Islands. Date September 7, 2023. Special Order 01 of the Mavilindo 2023 to reinstate, reinstall, and return into power and authority to His Majesty King Ferdinand Edrelan Marcos, aka Rogelio Madrid Abran, in September 16, 2023, by virtue of the predecessor Law 101 and the ownership of the divine and physical sovereignty, land and territorial domain of the royal family of the Mavilindo countries, Southeast Asia. So ordered, signed, and sealed this day, September 7, 2023, in Melaka, Malaysia. Signed by Her Majesty Queen Maria Helen Josie Mulan bin Baginda Ali Abdurrahman Elizabeth III. His Majesty King Muhammad Gamar Mamay Hassan Abdurrahman Sharif al-Sultan Gamar bin Abdul Ghaffar Jamalul Kiram III, and confirmed by Dato Paduka Odilon-Puga, MCCO Secretariat, Philippines. Wow! Up to now, the firecrackers has been booming as I announce this to you. Everybody prepared for the implementation. All of you, nothing has hidden the truth. And I, as the Queen of the Universal Magnum and of the global earth, spearhead this implementation phase. Come and join, and this is it. I want everyone, from the tip of Apari down to the tip of Palimba, of Holo, up to Sulu in North Borneo, up to Southeast Asia. Come into one, and all of you, my leaders, you have been with me. Go and spread the good news. This is your time, this is your moment. As I implemented the Golden Age, therefore today, September 7, 2023, we opened the gates of the treasure chest for all the people that will benefit the mission of the new generation. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. At ito ay patutunayan natin dahil ito ang paraan na ng ating pagbubuni ng napakaraming taon. Tayo ay naghirap, maraming luha, subalit yun ay tapos na. At ang tunay na kapayapaan, tunay na kaunlaran ay siyang mangingibabaw dito sa mundong ibabaw, sa kailaliman at sa kalangitan. Maraming salamat po sa inyo, 7 Makdum. 7 sa taas, 7 sa baba, 7 sa aking kanan, 7 sa aking kaliwa, at bilang isang queen, the axis of power of the universal magnum, of the queen of the global earth. Bukas, sa kapanahunan at ang feast day ng kapanganakan ng ating mahal na ina, ipinagsama-sama natin muli ang kapangyarihan ng Sacred Family, the Sagrada Familia, the Father, the Mother, the Son, and the Daughter. Tayo po ay magsama-sama sa aking gagawin ng pagbubuni at ang transition into divine monarchy. Maraming salamat po. At ako'y talagang kahit super ang aking kapaguran, ako'y natutuwa at ako'y nagpapasalamat sa Diyos Ama, sa Allah, na ako ay binigyan ng lakas at ipaglaban ang laban ng bagong henerasyon ng ating lahi, ng ating lupang pangako. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Maraming salamat po aming mahal na mga lolo ng 7 Makdum. Maraming salamat po aming Haring Ferdinand Ederlan Marcos Sr., ang aming dakilang Pangulo na may tunay na pagmamahal sa aming mahihirap. At sa inyong pagbabalik, ay siguradong makakamtam ang tunay na kapayapaan at kaunlaran ng ating bansang maharlika. Ang video ay pagmamay-ari ng ating mahal na Inang Reynang Helen. All credit po sa ating Royal Her Majesty, at sa ating mahal na Haring Raja Mamay Abdurrajak at mahal na mga lolo ng 7 Makdum. Maraming salamat po sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking YT channel. Please like the video to support, at inyong i-share sa inyong social media community. At kindly subscribe kung kayo po ay bago sa aking channel. God bless.